We have exciting news. Now as an EdFed member, you can pay your DCSAA dues automatically from your checking or savings account. The process is simple and seamless, and we'll show you how to get started. After clicking on Enroll Now within the enrollment email from EdFed, you will be redirected to DocuSign. Before proceeding, you need to agree to the electronic record and signature disclosure. Once you have checked that box, select Continue to begin your enrollment. You'll begin by filling out the authorization to transfer funds, which permits EdFed to transfer your union dues bi-weekly on paydays. When choosing your transfer amount, select the All Employees option. When completing the MDCPS job site and work location number fields, enter the school name and corresponding 4-digit work location number for where you work. For those that work at multiple sites, use the school name and work location number that are registered for your payroll. Great, you're all set. If you have any questions, email DCSAA@edfed.org.